Hello everyone, you are watching Math Madlis with Dr. Khalil. In this video, I will take chapter 9, section 9.3, which is circle. In the last section, we have studied the equation of the line in different forms, that is slope intercept form, point intercept form, etc. So in this one we will study the equation of the circle in different forms. The first one is center 0 0 and radius r. That is, what is the equation of the circle where the center is 0 0, that is origin, and the radius is given, that is r. The equation of the circle is this. This is the equation of the circle with center 0 0 and radius r. Suppose if the center is not 0 0, if it is h and k and radius is r. So here the center is origin, here the center is not origin. Then the equation of the circle is this. So two forms we are going to use in section 9.3. Center 0 0, radius r. Center not 0 0, then and radius r is there. So remember these two formulas. So with this, let us solve examples in section exercise 9.3. What is given here? The radius is given, which is 7 units. And in the following exercises, write the standard form of the equation of the circle with the given radius and the center is 0 0. So here it is given that the center is 0 0. That means I am going to use this formula. For all the questions 1 to 4, I will be using this formula. So what is it? X square, y square, and definitely this is r, that is 7 square. So x square plus y square equal to 49 is the answer. Coming to the third, what is given? Radius. Radius is root 2. So what is the equation? X square plus y square is root 2 square. That means x square y square equal to 2. You know that root a square is a. So therefore it is 2. So these are the questions from 1 to 4. Coming to the next set of questions, that is questions 5 to 10. Let me do question number 5. So here a radius is 1, center is 3, 5. So means center is not origin here. So for the questions 5 to 10, we will be using this formula. X minus h square, y minus k square equal to r square. What is hk? hk is the center. So this is h, this is k, and this is r. Put this here. What happens? X minus 3 square plus y minus 5 square equal to 1 square. So that's the equation of the circle in where the center is not origin. Similarly, you can do this one, number 10. Radius 3 root 2. Center minus 5.5 comma minus 6.5. So this is R, this is H, this is K. So putting here in this x minus 5.5 whole square. See, x minus h whole square plus y minus 6.5 whole square equal to 3 root 2 whole square. This is where I substitute. This minus into minus plus. So x plus 5.5 square. Again, you have a plus, that is y plus 6.5 square equal to, we have 3 root 2 square, that means 3 square into root 2 square, that means 9 into 2, that is 18, right side 18. So 3 root 2 square is, 3 square is 9, 2 is this 2, 9 into 2, 18. So this equal to 18 is the answer for this. Let's see the next set of question, that is 17 to 22. Let's do question number 17. X plus 5 plus y plus 3 square equal to 1. What's your question here? In this question, in the following exercises, find the center and the radius. So what is the radius? This. Yes? Radius is square root of 1. That is 1. Because x minus h square, y minus k square equal to r square. So this is r square in fact. This is r square. But I want r, so I have to take the square root of this. So that is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Now this I am going to compare with this formula. Right? So r square equal to 1. Now here you have a minus minus k. So what is your h here? That is, what is the center? The center will be minus of 5 and minus of 3. Because if it is plus, you write minus. If it is plus, it is write minus. Because here you have a minus here. So I have to write it in that particular format. Then the center will be minus 5 minus 3. Because in that case, when it will substituted here, it will be always. So here the center is hk, but the sign is minus. But here if it is plus, then I can write, you see, I will write x plus 5 as x minus of minus 5. You see? Am I right? So h is minus 5. So similarly I can write. So therefore, whenever you have a sign here, if it is minus, you just write minus. If it is plus, if it is minus, write plus. If it is plus, write minus. So the radius is 1 and the center is minus 5 minus 3. In this 18, you see x minus 2 square plus y minus 3 square equal to 9. So what is r square? It is 9. So what is r? It is square root of 9. That means 3. So what is center? So minus means plus. Minus means plus. The center is 2, 3. Earlier it was plus plus, I changed it to minus. 19. X square plus y plus 2 square equal to 75. So what is r square? 75. But I want r, so I have to take square root. So r is root 75. So what is h here? 0. What is k here? Minus 2. Therefore, the center is 0 minus 2 because no h, 0 plus 2 means minus 2. So center is 0 comma minus 2. You can do the remaining question the same. Coming to the last set of question here, that is questions 23 to 28. So I will be doing some of them and leading to one question in 23 I will do first. What is given here? Find the equation of the tangent to the circle. So it is like this. Equation of tangent line. This is the question now. Find the equation of the tangent line. This tangent line is to the circle at one point. That means here it is like this. You have a circle. The equation of the circle is x plus 9 square y plus 2 square equal to 125. This is the circle. And here we have one point, 1 comma 3. At this point, we have a tangent. So this is tangent line. You understood the question? You are given a what you call circle by this equation. At the point 1 comma 3, we draw a line which is touching the circle at one point. So when the line touches the circle at one point, it becomes a tangent line. And we are finding the equation of this tangent line. Please remember, tangent line is a line, right? So this 1 comma 3 is on the circle as well as on the tangent, right? So what I will be doing here is now, I will be finding the what you call the center and the radius of this. Okay, what is the radius? That is r is square root of 125, right? And what is the center? The center is minus 9 comma minus 2, plus 9 plus 2 minus. So where is this center? It is here. You see, minus 2 minus 9, minus 2. That is the center. Now what I will be doing here is I will join these 2 points. So means I can find the slope of this line. So what is the slope of that? So difference of y coordinate, that means minus 2 minus 3, right? And minus 9 minus 1. I am finding the slope of this line, right? So y coordinate minus 2 minus 3, x coordinate minus 9 minus 1. So it is minus 5 by minus 10, right? So minus cancels, 5 cancels, it is 1 by 2. The slope of this line is 1 by 2. If the slope of this one is 1 by 2, what is the slope of this tangent line, which is perpendicular? Therefore, the slope of tangent line, right, is perpendicular. That means minus 1 by 1 by 2. You know that. Whenever you are finding the slope of a line which is perpendicular to the given line, you take minus 1 by that. So you know that this is 2, minus 2. Because 1 by 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 is minus 2. So 1 by 2 is the slope of this line. Minus 2 is slope of tangent line. And now I am finding the equation of the tangent line. So how to find the equation of the tangent line? So the equation of the tangent line will be, you see, equation of tangent line, I will use this formula, y minus y1 m x minus x1. So I need a point and the slope. What is your point? This, because see that minus 9 minus 2 is not on the line, not on the tangent line. It is the center of the circle. But 1 comma 3 is on the circle as well as on the tangent line. So therefore this is x1, this is y1, and this is m. That is the slope of the tangent line. Put here y minus 3 m minus 2 x minus x1. So solve this, you will get the equation of the tangent line. So this is how we solve examples 23, 24 and 25 in the same way. Yes, even the next also the same. Question number 26 also same. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle. And here in question number 27 and 28, you are not asked to find the equation of the tangent line, but you are asked to find the slope of the tangent line the same way. So find the, what you call, the center, then find the slope of the center, then take minus 1 by that will be the slope. So that's the end of section chapter 9 and section 9.3. Thank you very much.